record my shit again. I'm out home. You heard me? On the set. Nigga right there. Home. Pull up on you niggas. Restart. That's second mixtape. You heard me? Coming out. About to drop. Name my album when I drop, nigga. Get it out the stores. That's name my album though. But free ringtone mixtape. It's right there, y'all see it. Yup. Right there, hold on. Let me see. Damn, I know that bitch right there somewhere. You be riding me. You wanna see my money? Yeah. Fuck a fella, I need my pills. I like money. Take care of responsibilities, yeah? Fuck, you know what I mean? Get paid for 3 lawyers, you know what I'm saying? On the set. Nigga get all that money back. State bar gonna owe me too. Shit, free ringtone. Free ringtone mixtape. Y'all can see that bitch. Bitch right there. I don't even feel like zooming in all this shit. Hell. Too much technology. I've been gone, nigga. I'm home, nigga. Free ringtone mixtape. Shit, fuck you mean. I ain't even let that bitch play. Get ready for part 2. Mixtape or restart. You know what I'm saying? Right there, restart. Y'all probably would have seen it like that. Y'all know that bitch said though. On the set, I'm gonna listen to the song. I'm high in the bitch, first blunt, tripping, stuck on that wet, rolling, retarded, on the set. I don't know who said that was, cause I ain't on that water right now. Shit fucking me. I'm just on that diesel, nigga. On the set, nigga on deck. You know what I'm saying? Let me hear that bitch. What song on here for? I get money, man. Hey, check that motherfucking paper, nigga. I got my cell mixtape, nigga. I told you niggas I was serious about my money, nigga. Shit, fuck you, man. Real shit. That bitch play. That bitch play. That bitch play. This is my money, I need it now. I'm home now, nigga. I need mine. Okay. Got 2 people. Hey, was she keeping it real? Was she keeping it real? I wanna know. I wanna know. But I got the phone. I'm on that 3-day. I'm on that 3-day flight. Got the same clothes on that I had last night. She played it. She played it. She played it. She played it. But I'm home now, nigga. On my side of the time. I'm a girl with me. I'm like right here. Making mission more money, more problems. I got more problems than I need more money. It was a little bit too jazzy. Money stayed on the phone. You know what's going on. My money. I go high to the side. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna get on the other side. Take my money with the house. In the 5s. It's my money, not now. Money, not fucking.